Yes, this is now in this video I am taking here image formation in plane mirror. Basically, what is image? In mind of learner and teacher teaching the class also has a question: what is image? So rays of light after starting from a point object and rays of light starting, I should say here, starting from point object after reflection or refraction appear to diverge from a point or really converge to it or really converge to a point. This point is called image of the object, point object. Now, where they appear to come from, that point will be virtual image. We call that virtual image. The point from where rays after light, ray of light come from or they diverge is called virtual image. And the point where they really meet is called real image. I think you have got my point. I will make it more clear in coming videos. Here is the point object here. Now one thing more, I told in last video regular and irregular reflection. I told that if parallel beam light is reflected as a parallel beam, that is regular reflection. And it is due to regular reflection that we see image in plane mirrors, spherical mirrors. That is due to regular reflection. Now irregular reflection, I told you that light after falling parallel beam become a random beam. So that is irregular, and due to irregular reflection, we see the object from any direction. Our walls, light is coming here and falling on different walls. So every corner of the wall is visible to us. And one thing more, during day, your doors and windows are closed. Some glass windows are there, or some door are open. Then sun is not entering your house. The ray of light are falling on the roads, on the walls of neighboring house, and after irregular reflection, they enter our house and we see light in our room. It is because of this irregular reflection. These small things should be very clear and make lot of things appear clear. But if you don't understand these things, we are unable to understand small things. मैंने आपको कि people are not able to understand which is that plane in which incidence ray, reflected ray and normal light. I will try to make it clear. Now here I want to explain you image formation in plane mirror. It is a plane mirror represented by a line. It is plane mirror like this, and light or point object placed here. Okay, but we have represented by a line. It is point object. Actually, object emits visible object. Light fall on that, or it may be itself a source of light like a bulb. So light is starting from this fall normally, and I told you that normal ray fall with angle of incidence 0, so angle of reflection 0, so goes back on the same path. Now it is the oblique ray. It falls with certain angle of incidence here, get reflected back. So this way they don't meet. These rays appear to come from this point. They are diverging from this point. So this point I is the image, and it is virtual image because from this point they are appearing to come from. So this is a point object. Now it is a virtual object. Virtual object. I told you which virtual image. Which image virtual? After reflection or reflection, the rays of light appear to diverge from a point. If they appear to diverge or appear to come from that point is virtual image. But the distance of image from mirror is equal to distance of object, and size of image equal to size of object. It is virtual, size of image equal to size of object. You see your face in plane mirror, same size. There are many questions based on plane mirror. We have learned in class 9 and 8 also. And it is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. Laterally inverted. This is laterally inverted. What is that? The left hand side appear right and right is left. Or other way you can understand. If it is plane mirror here, and you write the alphabet B here, so you get the image this way. So this is due to lateral inversion. This is called what? Lateral inversion. Okay? And every image formed, whether in plane mirror, spherical mirror, or even in during reflection, are always laterally inverted. For me, these alphabets formed here in the mirror image are not seen erect, laterally inverted, and you will get it real. Now you may say, okay, we only have gone this image of point object. How to make the image of linear object? Linear object. It is plane mirror here. Suppose it is a road here, AB. You want to know the image of this. Again the same thing. Take the normal ray from each point. Its far goes reflected back. Take oblique ray. Actually पहले से ही आप तय कर ले कि यहाँ मिलेगा. डिस्टेंस बराबर रखेंगे. ये मिलाया और बढ़ाया गया. So this point A appear here at A dash. For B, you can produce this, and here the distance here. पहले तय कर लें, नहीं तो गलत हो जाता है. And then it can appear to go from this point. So it is the point B dash. So that way you can form the image of even linear object also. Actually, in class 12, we have syllabus for spherical mirror, but spherical mirror also obeys law of reflection. So it is my duty to make you clear what are the laws of reflection. There is a confusion here that in plane mirror the image is always virtual. ये confusion है वो कि plane mirror में हमेशा real image ही virtual ही बनता है. No, if object is virtual, image may be real, and we use it in many places. Suppose here is a plane mirror. Light coming like this, one ray, another ray this. Actually, distance between the rays is decreasing. So, if I take all rays, they will form converging beam. There is no source of light, real source of light, which can produce converging beam. If we produce it further, agar suppose mirror had not been there, so they would have met at this point. The diagram, ray optics need practice of diagrams. Please don't avoid the formula, drawing the diagram. Draw yourself the diagram many times. तो ये पॉइंट जो यहाँ मिलता है, it will be virtual object. Virtual object for this mirror. Now, after reflection, it is angle of incidence here, so it will go like this. And it will go like this. So this distance again same. Here will be the real image. Now I told you where after reflection they really meet. That's the real image. real image. Tell your friends, ask your friends, can you achieve, can you obtain real image plane mirror? So for every virtual object in plane mirror or convex mirror also, you will get real image. Actually, this beam of light can be produced by concave mirror after reflection or convex lens. You will learn later, and many questions come in on this basis. So this was all about reflection in plane mirror and little knowledge of image formation. In our syllabus we have only spherical mirror. There are many questions you can see in different books, like if the two plane mirrors are placed at right angle and a point object is placed symmetrically at right bisector here. So how many images will be seen? So formula is derived is there, okay, number of images will be 360 upon theta minus 1. मतलब ये एंगल भी यहाँ तो 90 है, थीटा 90 है, तो 94 माइनस 1 एक्चुअली में तो 4 बनेंगे, लेकिन दिखाएंगे 3 कैसे? You can produce this way by taking radius this OP, draw a circle and draw perpendicular here. Incidence ray, produce it. Here will be I1 suppose. Draw perpendicular. Actually, this perpendicular is reflected back. I mean, so it will meet here. एक रे और इसका वही हिस्सा है, लेकिन हम ये I2. I1 image formed in plane mirror M1. It is M2. We will act virtual object for this mirror. Draw perpendicular here. It will meet. Similarly, from this, you get this. So there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 or 4 यहाँ बनेगा, I3 बनेगा, I4 बनेगा. So they have changed one. If it is placed exactly at right, तो जो कुछ भी हो, अगर ये ऐसे थीटा कोई मान लो 45 पर है, उसके राइट बाइसेक्टर है. This n equal to 360 upon theta minus 1. But if it is not symmetrically, unsymmetrically, then n equal to 360 upon theta. जो हमारे डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हैं, उनमें ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए जाते हैं. And one more thing I am telling you, if plane mirror are there, theta 180 और 0, angle between parallel lines कितना होता है? 0. Something divided by 0 infinity. So you will get infinite image. You can see the diagram. Here, objective rays here. So infinite image will be seen. How much size of plane mirror should be there so that we can see our full image? हम अपनी हाइट का पूरा, तो half of the height of the man. If we want to see full image in a plane mirror, then height of mirror should be half of our height. Like this, there are many questions. Now I come to here spherical mirror. Actually, these mirrors are obtained or are supposed to be part of spheres. Suppose here is a sphere of any material. We cut a part of this, make inside surface smooth and outside keep kept rough. Inside smooth surface, and this is rough. So it becomes here concave mirror. Why it is called concave? Actually, there are definition of figures: convex surface, concave figure, convex figure. If a figure near the midpoint or center become thinner like this, so it is concave figure. If it bulges out, that is convex figure. A person who get fatty at the center, I said, have to have convex shape. Or any weak person whose stomach has gone into the body, concave. So it is concave mirror. It is called concave. And if we take part of this and make inside it, rough and outside smooth, ये surface smooth. Actually perfectly smooth तो नहीं होता कोई भी, है ना? But we try to make this smooth like you have see mirror in your home. Then it is convex figure. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. There are some definition about mirrors. You please can read the book, but I am telling here just for sake of your knowledge. If I complete this sphere, so this sphere will have its own center here somewhere. So this is called center of the curvature of mirror. The central point on the surface of mirror is called pole. If we join this line, this is called principal axis. So center of curvature, the center of the sphere of which mirror supposed to be part is called center of curvature. If it is like this, so convex, so it will be making the sphere like this. And center of this sphere will be center of curvature of convex mirror, and midpoint on the surface of mirror is called pole, P. Line joining this C and P pole, it is called principal axis. Dear student, please be very careful. Center of sphere of which mirrors are part supposed to be center of curvature. Here it is. But when we ask question from student, कि draw convex mirror, बनता ही mirror, convex mirror बनाने को रख डालो, तो बच्चे जो हैं उसका भी सीधा मार्क करते हैं क्योंकि जनरली फिगर्स की ज़्यादा बनती हैं. तो convex mirror, radius of curvature PC, R. This R, radius of curvature क्या होगा? The radius of the sphere of which mirror is part is called radius of curvature of spherical mirror. You can get it, but generally question are asked in exam कि what is radius of curvature? है भाई? तो these are simple definition about spherical mirror. One definition meant focus. Let me finish it here. Focus. Focus of mirror. In case of convex mirror, this is your principal axis, pole C. Rays parallel to principal axis after reflection really converge at a point. This point is your focus. Please put the arrow necessarily, otherwise if you are not able to tell in words, draw the diagram and say F is the focus where rays parallel to principal axis after reflection meet principal axis. In case of convex mirror, what is focus? Here is the convex mirror, here is the center of curvature, rays coming parallel to principal axis. They have to diverge from this point. तो पहले ही मिला लीजिए इसको, नहीं मिलता नहीं फिर. And then proceed this way. Diagram run. प्रैक्टिस करें, पूछते हैं पेपर में डिफाइन फोकस, होती नहीं फोकस डिफाइन। So these are the some definitions of rays parallel to principal axis after reflection in case of concave mirror really converge to a point on principal axis or appear diverge from it in case of convex mirror. This point on principal axis is called focus of the mirror. I hope you can write it yourself, and next video I will be telling you image formation in mirrors. Thank you.